FD800R17KF6C_B2 by USComponent.com. The FD800R17KF6C_B2, produced by Infineon Technologies, is a high-performance IGBT module designed for demanding power electronics applications. Part of the Econo Dual Trademark 3 family, it offers a voltage rating of 1700 V and a current rating of 800 A. The module integrates advanced features for reduced switching and conduction losses, enhancing overall efficiency. It is engineered for reliable operation in industrial motor drives, renewable energy systems, and high-power converters. The FD800R17KF6C_B2's robust design includes optimized thermal management and improved power density, ensuring long-term reliability and performance in critical applications. Ready to buy FD800R17KF6C_B2? Please contact sales at USComponent.com.